Hello, Mario. Subdivision Design 41 Design Surface. In this video, I'm going to start working towards actually creating what I call the design surface. This is the final surface of the subdivision after the roading has been completed and the earthworks. At this stage, there's still earthworks to be sorted out, but this is going towards creating the final design surface that we will do the design of the services and things on. So this is what the subdivision surface will look like, and then from here we will be doing the actual design surface itself. So we take ourselves back here to 12D model and where we left off, which is with this roading diagram here, with all the roading in place. So essentially what I'm going to do is to create a tin of the roads and then put them together into a super tin with the existing ground contours to create the design surface. So we want to get as much stuff out of here as possible, so we don't need the boundaries at this point. All we need is the new material. We probably don't need the sections. We can just do it off the strings. So I'll take off the sections. That might just take a little bit of a while here just to get the sections out of the picture. So it's just working on the strings. There's some more sections there. Sections there. So that's all strings, sections there, sections there, and sections there. So that all looks like it. So actually strings are all the way around the outside, so that's looking fairly good. All the strings are in place. There's still a few, it looks like sections there. I'm not quite sure what they are there. Road 1, what's that going to take away? Do we need the alignments? I'm not sure. Possibly not. I don't think we can just work totally on the might just leave those there. Road 1 and plus road 2. I don't think they'll do any harm, and we can always remove them afterwards if need be. Alright, so what we're going to do now is tin that. So that's just tins, create, and triangulate data. And the tin that I'm going to create, I'm going to call it the road tin. So that's going to be road tin. So this is just going to be the roading tin, like that there. Copy that there, Control C, put that up in, I'll just call it, just type road in there, in the function. Okay, so that's the function. I might just call it road tin, just so I'll copy it from here just to make it a point of difference. These can be a bit sensitive with these namings. Yeah, okay, and the data is going to be what we've got there showing, which is this plan view here, in the plan view. In the nulling, I'm actually just going to turn that on. We might get some something out of that, and let's just push triangulate. And there you go, it's finished triangulating. Let's just have a look at what we've got. So that will be Tin Road here. Okay. So we do need some nulling in there, definitely, to null out some of those. So let's just go tins null by strings. And the tin is the road tin here. We're going to click that. We're going to right click that. And we're going to right click that. Right, oops, that doesn't seem to. Okay, so those have all got to go. Let's just put this up out of the way here for now. That there's certainly all got to go. That's got to go in there. That can go in there. Alrighty. Looks pretty fine and dandy in there. So we can start right up here like this. That one there. Go down in there like that. We can use the view command. View. Send tin and rasters to the back. Get rid of that one there. Okay. Series in here. Yep. That's pretty damn good in there. Alright, still nulling away. Okay. And in here. Okay. Just got to right click on here again to get it started. Okay. Oops, here we go. View. Tins and rasters to the back. Seems to be okay. They're all green along there. Oops. Could be one there. Perhaps. No, in here, definitely. Let's just hit that view button again, just to make sure. View. There it is there. Tins and rasters to the back. Oh, it all seems pretty reasonable. So let's drop that in around there like that. Drop that in there like that. Drop that in there. Yep, I'm going to accept that. Alright, now that's all good there. Now what I'm going to do now is just going to go tins boundary, and this will put a boundary around the tin. Model for the boundaries. I'm going to go road tin boundary. This will come in useful later on if we have to re-tin this or do some changes, and I'm pretty sure we will be doing some changes actually based on what I've done. That will make it, we won't have to do that nulling, we can use the boundary to null to. So yep, let's go create, finish, and we'll turn that on. So that will be the road tin boundary there, which you can see is that, oh yes, you can see is that cyan line there defining the boundary of this particular tin. Okay, so that's coming up for 10 minutes. So that's the road tin all done there. So now what I want to do is I'll finish there and I'll finish there and I'll quickly create. No, I'll leave it there. That's my road tin. And in the next video, I will create the super tin, and we'll have a look at that. I suspect that we will have to change things. My sort of exploratory looks at this suggest that things are a little bit low in here, and that we might not be able to get infrastructure out of here coming all the way around here. So I'll just turn the tin off at this. Oh no, I'll leave it like that, and we'll pick that up with the next video. So yes, we will just head back to the next video now with it like that, and in the next video we will start to form up the design surface super tin between this and the ground tin. So very well, cheers, see you.